Welcome to Smartboard Help. Today I'm going to show you some options in dealing with your floating tools toolbar. Notice over here on the left side of my screen I have sort of a gray transparent rectangle. It's got some arrows and some dots on it. That's the handle to my floating tools toolbar. If I click the arrows, it expands the toolbar and shows me the tools that are there for me to use. If I click the arrows again, it's going to hide it back off the side of my screen. The dots down below allow me to drag that toolbar up or down the side of my desktop. Um, Notice on my desktop, that's where all my icons are, so it's going to sort of be in the way if I have it over here. I'd rather have it on my right side of the screen. So I'm going to click those dots again. This time I'm going to drag it towards the right side of my screen. Notice when I get about halfway over, it flips so that it's facing the right direction. And now it's over on the right side. And again, I can hide it or expand it to see the tools at my disposal. I can still drag it up and down to reposition it however I want. And now I'm going to talk to you about some of the icons, the tools on this toolbar. There's the select tool. You've got a couple of pen options. There's your right click button. There's an eraser tool. You can launch Smart Notebook. There's your on-screen keyboard. There's an undo button, and then the customize. I'm going to go ahead and click on that customize button. It's going to bring up the customize floating tools window. There are lots of different tools that I can add to my toolbar along with these default buttons that are already there. Notice if I want to add the calculator, because maybe that's something I use a lot, I'm going to go ahead and just grab the calculator, drag it over to my toolbar, and now it's there. Drag and drop. Okay. Let's find out that I really didn't use that calculator very often and it's just taking up space. I really don't want it there. So I'm going to grab that calculator, pull it back into the Customize Floating Tools window, and drop it. And now it's not on my Floating Tools toolbar anymore. When I'm finished, I just go ahead and click Done. If I ever want to restore the defaults, there's an option right there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And now I want to show you how you can get rid of this toolbar. Maybe it's just not very useful, not something you use very often. You just kind of find it in the way. So you can actually get rid of it. If you go down to the Systems tray, there's the Smartboard icon, which is a blue icon with a white circle in the middle. Go ahead and just single click that icon, and notice there's a Hide Floating Tools option. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and my toolbar goes away. If I ever want it back because I need to use it, go back to the Systems tray, find the Smartboard icon, single click, Show Floating Tools, and there it is again. So hopefully that will help you with your floating tools. Until next time.